Looking for the best hoverboard for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 hoverboard that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a hoverboard that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended hoverboard. Number 1 on the list is Tomoloo Hoverboard with LED lights. The Tomoloo Hoverboard with LED lights is fun, fast and easy to learn, making it a top pick for kids and adults alike. In fact, it is our top pick best overall hoverboard. With a 4-hour battery life, 7.5 mph top speed, and added fun features like LED lights and built-in Bluetooth speakers, it easily beats out the other competition on the list. The Tomoloo Hoverboard with LED lights offers the longest battery life of all the options on our list, coming in at a total of 4 hours of running time. With such an extensive battery life, you can enjoy this smart self-balancing hoverboard without worry. Of course, when you inevitably run out of battery, you'll only need to wait an hour before achieving a 100% full charge once it's plugged in, one of the shortest charging times on our list. This Tomoloo Bluetooth wireless speaker hoverboard also includes a wide variety of additional features, like colorful LED flashing lights and Bluetooth functionality that allows you to play music directly from your phone. You can control these features through the Tomoloo app, which doesn't work perfectly 100% of the time, but still does its job. Tomoloo also gives you a 1-year limited warranty to cover any manufacturer defects, which is a nice addition. Second on the list is Tomoloo Self-Balancing Hoverboard. The Tomoloo 2-wheel self-balancing hoverboard offers some of the most unique features on the list, with LED lights that flash in time with the music and excellent self-balancing functionality that keeps you balanced. It also features a heat-resistant and fire-retardant design for increased durability and an extended lifespan. It is the easiest to operate with the best features. A self-balancing scooter like this Tomoloo contains advanced motherboards and components to increase overall stability and balance, making it extra easy to use. While all the hoverboards on our list feature some kind of balancing capacity, they don't perform as well as this product. You'll also get a bit more heat and fire resistance than many other hoverboards. While all the boards on our list are safe, this added protection can help you feel safer if you're still worried about random overheating and catching fire. You also get LED lights that blink in time with the music playing through the integrated Bluetooth speakers. Unfortunately, you can't turn off the LED lights even to save batteries, so be aware of your battery life during use. However, like the top pick on our list, this Tomoloo features an impressive 4-hour battery life, a short charge time and top speed of 7.5 miles per hour. You can also take care of any manufacturer problems with Tomoloo's included 1-year warranty. Compare it to any 50cc scooter and see which is best for you or your kid. Alternatively, if you know your teenager would prefer an electric skateboard over a scooter, check out our review of the Hover 1 Switch 2-in-1 electric skateboard. Number 3 on the list is Gyroor Warrior. The Gyroor Warrior was made for off-road use with its large 8.5-inch wheels and extra durable construction. If you're looking for an all-terrain hoverboard that can take a punch without hesitation and still look cool with LED headlights and Bluetooth speakers, this is the hoverboard for you. This is the best value and best all-terrain hoverboard. If you're looking for a hoverboard that is sturdier than most others and built for all-terrain use, look no further than the Gyroor Warrior. With massive 8.5-inch wheels and self-balancing capability, this hoverboard can take a punch better than any other board on our list. It's also the fastest on our list and one of the fastest hoverboards on the market, with a maximum speed limit of almost 10 miles per hour. Granted, that's not super fast, but it's a decent speed limit that isn't too slow or too powerful. Gyroor claims that its design is inspired by Formula 1 racing cars. While these features are certainly impressive, you'll want to know that they come at a price. This hoverboard is the most expensive on our list, with prices well above $200 at the time of our review. Of course, this price is well worth it to get the all-terrain functionality, solid shock absorbers and overall durability that the product offers. And with a 1-year warranty to protect you from defects, your purchase is protected well enough. You may also like the best electric scooter list. Number 4 on the list is Swagboard Twist T580. There are plenty of Swagtron hoverboards on the market today, like the popular Swagtron T1, but the Swagboard Twist T580 stands out from the rest with its interesting take approach on battery and power. Instead of using a lithium-ion battery, this hoverboard uses a lead-acid battery, which is the safer and more durable option. This is our pick for best budget and the most durable battery. The Swagboard Twist T580 is perhaps the most unique board on our list due to its lead-acid battery pack in place of a lithium-ion battery. If you aren't aware, early hoverboards were plagued with battery fires and explosions. The lead-acid battery doesn't have the same problems as the lithium batteries. If you're worried about battery problems, you'd do well with this hoverboard. Unfortunately, if you run into any defects with this unique design, you only have 90 days to request a warranty replacement, the shortest warranty on our list. However, up until this point, you can always call customer support who will be happy to help with any issues. However, there are some downsides to a lead-acid battery. Mainly, it's much heavier than lithium-ion, making this hoverboard heavier than most of the options on our list at 23 pounds. The board itself is designed simply, without any of the LED lights or Bluetooth speakers you can find on other options. It also features a top speed of 7 miles per hour, which is impressively fast considering its otherwise simple design. Or are you after the best kids motorized electric scooter? Number 5 on the list is Swagtron T580. The Swagtron T580 is a great middle-of-the-road model from Swagtron. It is the best value and the best for hills. While not all the best ones on the market, packs in some very helpful features like the fact that it is Bluetooth hoverboard enabled, allowing you to change modes, check the battery, access maps, and play music. The maximum speed is only 7.5 miles per hour, but it has a respectable ability to climb inclines of up to 30 degrees with its 150W dual motors. This Swagtron T580 model has 3 modes and travels up to 8 miles per charge with a maximum weight load, aka carrying capacity, of 220 pounds. 6.53 hard rubber tires give you a smooth ride. Your charging time will be 90 to 100 minutes. A single full charge will yield a maximum range of 8 miles. It also comes with an app that is compatible with both iPhone and Android. There is a reason that this model sells. The Swagtron T580 is a great middle-of-the-road model that delivers the features that most users want at a great price point. It is in a whole different from the best folding mobility scooter or even the best electric unicycle. Just now is a list of 5 best hoverboard that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.